The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. The only way to learn is to do mathematics, and it was said by Paul Helmus. In fact, Paul Richard Helmus. He was an American mathematician. Okay. He was an American mathematician who made fundamental advances in the areas of mathematical logic, probability, statistics, functional analysis, and many more, which, as you grow up, will come along it. However, let's start with our exercise 2E. Okay, this was the last exercise which was left, and this will be the end of our chapter. So in exercise 2E, question number 1, we see that here we have again addition of a rational number. As you can see. Now, when you add, as I said, that first you need to change it into standard form. So here it will be minus 9 by 16 plus 5 by 12, as these two minus will get cancelled. Now, here after you take the LCM of 16 and 12, that you need to find it out, because we have been doing this a number of times. So the LCM of 16 and 12, by this time you know how to find it out. It will be 48, and now 48 divided by 16, 48 divided by 16 will be 3. Okay, now there are two ways to multiply. Either you multiply 3 with minus 9 or minus 9 with 3. Both have the same result. But it is better that you multiply the numerator first with this quotient. So the numerator first with the quotient plus the numerator first with the quotient. 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4. Why? So that later on you will not get confused whenever you will get stuck with the signs. Okay, I bet. So minus 27 plus 20 by 48 is equal to minus 7 by 48. Why? As you all can see that the bigger number has negative sign. Therefore, after subtraction, it will be minus. Okay. Let's come to question number 2E. 2E 1 8. The other you can do it yourself. This question number 1 4. Okay. Question number 1 4. Question number 2E 1 8. We have minus 5 by 7 minus 3 by 8. As I said, this minus belongs to 3 by 8, therefore it has been kept in bracket. So minus 5 by 7, as I said, there exists the sign of multiplication between the bracket and the first sign. So here we have minus into minus plus 3 by 8. So like the other sums, you need to take the LCM as 56. Now 7 and 8, both of them you can see that they are co-prime number. Co-prime number have common factor as 1. common factor as 1. 7 into 1 equal to 7 and 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Therefore, they have a common factor 1. Therefore, they are known as co-prime, and whenever you have co-prime numbers, you need to multiply them directly to get the LCM. So similarly, as I said, first you need to multiply the numerator with 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8 plus numerator multiplied by 56 divided by 8 is equal to 7. Now you have minus 40 plus 21 by 56 is equal to minus 19 by 56 is your solution. Now let's keep on increasing. Number 1, 9. In number 1, 9, what we have? We have the same. I find the same simple addition of rational number 7 by 26 plus 2 plus minus 11 by 13. So some one of you might get confused. There's nothing to get confused. You can take 1 as the denominators. So the LCM now of 26 and 13, when you will find it, you will get it as 26. And now 7 numerator multiplied by so here let's see, 26 divided by 26 is equal to 1. So 7 into 1. Similarly, you have numerator as plus 2, isn't it? Plus 2. So plus 2 multiplied by 26 divided by 1 is equal to 26. Similarly, 26 divided by 13 is equal to 2. Therefore, numerator multiplied by 2. So what you get? You get 7 plus 52 minus 22 by 26. We will add both of them and subtract. So we have 59 minus 22 by 26 is equal to 37 by 26 is your solution. Okay. Next, come to number 10. I hope so. So here we have once again minus 1 by 1 plus 2 by minus 3 plus 5 by 6, isn't it? So here we have minus 1 plus 2 by minus 3 plus 5 by 6. Therefore here I need to change it into its standard form. Let me put 1 over here. So we have minus 1 minus 2 by 3, because if this minus goes up, plus into minus becomes minus, plus 5 by 6. So the LCM of 3 and 6 will be, it's not a big deal. So as we had continued previously, we will be doing the same thing. 6 into minus 1 minus 2 into 2 plus 5 into 1 is equal to minus 6 minus 4 plus 5 by 6. We have the same sign, so same signs should be added. It will be equal to minus 10 plus 5 by 6 will be equal to minus 5 by 6 as your solution, because when we add two of the numbers having different sign, we subtract them and then the sign of the bigger number exists. Okay. When I come to question number 12, what I find in question number 2, I find word problems. Okay, question number 2, I find word problems. Okay, naturally these word problems are as simple as we had done. See, every time I use the word simple, okay, because mathematics is really very simple. It's a very simple subject and you need a little bit of concentration. They're talking about two rational numbers, sum. They're talking about sum of two rational numbers. And what are they? They say that when two rational numbers are added, you get minus 3 by 8. However, they have given you one of the rational number. They say that one of the rational number is given as 3 by 16. Find the other one. So other one I'll take it as x. X means variable, or the variable means the unknown value. Therefore the value of x, as I said, when we transpose, when we bring from one side to the other, we change the sign. Here 3 by 16 has the plus sign over here. Therefore x will be equal to minus 3 by 8. It was already over here. This 3 by 16 will go that side and it will be minus 3 by 16 on solving. Now 8 and 16, as you can see, 8 is the multiple, or you can say 8 divides 16 clearly. 8 divides 16. Therefore 16 is the multiple of 8. So if one of them is the multiple of 8, then in that case the bigger number will become the LCM. These are the short tricks which you should learn it by heart. So minus 3 into 2 minus 3 into 1 will be equal to minus 6 minus 3 by 16 is equal to minus 9 by 16 is your solution. They have the same sign, so same sign we add it, and the final sign belongs to the number. B belongs to the negative sign because both of them had the negative sign. In number 3 we have minus the same. We are talking about the sum of two rational number. Okay, so they are saying the same thing, that two rational number, the sum of two rational number is equal to minus 5. And they are very clever. They have given one of them, minus 552 by 25. Okay, I do not know the value of the other rational number, so I'll keep this as x. Therefore let's find the value of x quickly. Minus 5 means minus 5 by 1, and this minus 52 by 25, when you transpose it, it will be plus 52 by 25. Here when you solve, what will you get? You'll get minus 5 multiplied by, the LCM should be 25, so minus 5, 25 divided by 1 is equal to 25, so minus 5 multiplied by 25 plus 52 multiplied by 1, because both of them, here you see 25 and here you see 25, both the denominators, here the denominator is equal to the LCM. Therefore naturally when you will divide, you will get 1 over here. So let's solve it quickly. We are not to waste our time because data is very important. So minus 125 plus 52 by 25 will be equal to minus 73 by 25 is your solution. Both of them have opposite sign. The bigger number has the negative sign, isn't it? Let's come to the next, that is number 4. Okay, question. When we come to question number 4, I find the same thing, that sum of two rational number minus 3 by 16 and the other one which you do not know is equal to 11 by 24. Therefore, the value of x will be equal to 11 by 24 plus 3 by 16. You should know how to find out the LCM of 24 and 16 by now. It comes to 48. So 11 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3, because 48 divided by 16 is equal to 3, is equal to 22 plus 9 by 48. When you solve it, you will get 31 by 48. You can see that these sums are very simple. Okay. Again, let's come to question number 5. We are proceeding. It's the same thing. Minus 3 by 5 and the variable is equal to 2. So sum of two rational number is equal to 2. One of them is given. So the value of x will be equal to 2 means 2 by 1 plus 3 by 5. I hope you can find out the value of this. Can you? I hope you can. So you can. So let's start with question number 6. Here we have a little twist in question number 6. In question 6 we have a twist. The same addition form has been changed to subtracted form. Later on they will change to multiplication, and again they will change to division. This is what mathematics is based on. They'll keep on trying new things every time with the children. Okay. So subtracted form, and this subtracted from, okay, from, sorry, is subtracted from, from, subtracted from. So they say that which number is subtracted from minus 5 by 12, isn't it? So from minus 5 by 12, which rational number is to be subtracted in order to get 5 by 24? Try to understand the concept first. From minus 5 by 12, they have used the word from minus 5 by 12. So from minus 5 by 12, minus 5 by 12 will be first. The from part should be the first one. So from minus 5 by 12, what should be subtracted to get 5 by 24? This x has minus over here, so minus belongs to x. So I am going to keep this x along with the sign, otherwise it will get angry. Therefore minus x is equal to 5 by 24 plus 5 by 12. This minus 5 by 12 will, on transposing, will become plus 5 by 12 is equal to, let's solve it. So every time I write x, I'll write minus over here. Now the LCM of 24 and 12 will be 24, as I said, because one of them is the multiple of the other. And if you have any confusion, you can use the old traditional method to find out the LCM. Okay. Now 5 times 1 plus, and here 5 times 2 will be equal to 5 plus 10 by 24 minus x. Minus x will be equal to 15 by 24, or on cancellation we'll try to, at the end we'll see that if they cancel it or not. Therefore 3 5 times and 3 8 times. Minus x is equal to 5 by 8. Therefore this x will be equal to 5 by 8, this minus will go over there and it will be minus 5 by 8. Achha, minus will go over there, it means that minus first of all will get divided over here, isn't it? Let me clarify it. Minus x is equal to 5 by 8, and this minus x means minus 1 into x equal to 5 by 8. So x will be equal to 5 by 8. This minus 1 will come over here, so it becomes 5 by minus 8. Then on changing it into standard form, it becomes minus 5 by 8. That is why I clearly mention that if minus is over there, please take it to the other side. So here minus x is equal to 5 by 8. So x will be equal to minus 5 by 8. If it was minus x is equal to minus 5 by 8, then if minus would go that side, it would become minus into minus plus 5 by 8. I hope this is clear by now. Okay, let's come to question number 7. Question number 6. In question number 6, what we have? The same thing. This is subtraction only. So should I leave it? I think I should leave it. Otherwise, you'll say, no, I am not going to leave. Okay, I am not going to leave because there are so many children who really need all these sums to be done because they have no other substitute. So minus 5 by 12, again the same thing. What number should be subtracted from minus 5 by 12 is equal to 5 by 24. So come on, let me solve it. So minus x will be equal to 5 by 24 plus 5 by 12. This will go that side. So minus x will be equal to 24, 5 into 1 plus 5 into 2 minus x will be equal to 5 plus 10 by 24. The letters are big enough to be visible, isn't it? So minus x is equal to 5 by 8 after cancellation. So x will be equal to minus 5 by 8, isn't it? Okay, now let's start. Let's come to question number 7. Okay, question number 7. So I hope I have done repeated question number 6. Okay, so that you people should get a bit of confusion that what is happening, or it might get into your brain properly. So in question number 7 we have the same thing. 5 by 8 minus x is equal to 8 by 5, and on a repetition of question number 6, I think that you can do this by yourself. So I'll leave up to you. Now in number 8, okay, in number 8 what we have? We have the same rational number, but it needs to be simplified in the form of BODMAS. Okay, always remember this. While you are operating with numbers, this shouldn't be forgotten. 7 by 8 multiplied by 24 by 21 plus minus 5 by 9 into 6 by minus 25. They are trying to confuse me. Wait, let me see. I'll confuse you. So 7 3 times. Okay, 8 3 times. Oh my god. Wait, I'll not cancel this. Now 3 3 times, 3 2 times. This minus and minus will get cancelled. 5 1 times, 5 5 times. So here we have 3 and 3. I'm going to cancel this now. Okay, I'll cancel it. So what remains over here? Here remains in the numerator you have 1 and in the denominator 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. And here you have plus 2 by 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Can you convert? Can you add this? Of course. I'll add 15 times 1 plus 2. 15 times 1 plus 2 by 15 is equal to 17 by 15. I had already taught in the previous class that 2 by 15 is same as 1 plus 2 by 15. So as you are treating this number should also be treated in the same way. Now let's come to number 3. Okay, so as we are proceeding, I find that the sums are becoming easier and easier. Okay, this is once again question number 8. Number 3, you have simple simplification. 18 by 33 into minus 22 by 27 is really very hot. I can feel the hotness because fans are turned off. So that the audio should be clear. Okay, you do not complain of it. Let's solve, sir. So 11 2 times, 11 3 times, 9 2 times, 9 3 times. So on multiplication it will be 4 by 9. And who will put the negative sign? Naturally you will say, sir, you. Come on. Here we have, let's solve. So here 13 1 times, 13 2 times. Achha. Let me cancel this with bigger number. 25 1 times, 25 3 times. So what do we have here? Here we have minus 3. Here we have minus 3. And minus was already over here. Therefore, minus 4 by 9 plus 3. So minus 4 by 9 plus 3. Have I left something? I think I have left something. I had left 2 over here. So let me mention these 2 with black only because I had made a mistake over here. Now, no mistakes are there. We'll find the LCM. And the LCM of 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 6, isn't it? Why 18? Because both are co-prime number. Therefore, I'll multiply it. So, minus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 9 will be equal to minus 8 plus 27 by 18 is equal to minus 19 by 18. Can you convert this into mixed fraction? Of course you can. 1 by 18 is your final solution. Question number 9. And in question number 9, I find that they are talking about product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T of numbers. 2 numbers. So what we saw? First we saw addition. Then we saw subtraction. Then we are seeing the product of the numbers, means multiplication. And then we'll see division. Bas, and our chapter will be over. So they are talking about the product of 2 numbers. Okay, the product of 2 numbers. They are talking about the product of question number 9. They are talking about PRODUCT, product of 2 numbers, in which one of them is minus 36 by 11 and the other one is, I don't know, you also don't know, let's find it out, is equal to 24. So the value of x will be equal to 24 plus 36 by 11. My dear, who said divided by? I think I have made a very big mistake. Why? Because here when we will find the value of x, it will be 24 divided by minus 36 by 11. The same mistake that you will do it in your examination. Because here this minus 36 by 11 is in multiplication form. So it will go that side and it will be in division form. Will get changed into division form, not this one. Therefore, the value of x will be equal to 24 multiplied by 11 by 36 minus 36. This minus will not leave me today. Okay, so after cancellation, okay, 8 6 times 6 4 times 2 3 times 2 times will be equal to 22 by 3. Minus will go up. It will be minus 22 by 3. And when we change it into mixed fraction, we get minus 7 by 1 by 3. So please do not do this mistake ever. Do not take this minus that side and write plus 36 by 11. Because this minus 36 by 11 is in multiplication form. Let me change. Let me do the last one, that is question number 10. And this question number 10, why should I do it? Do it yourself. Let me mention it, please, so that you feel happy. Thank you.